See you guys, my name is Kumar, you are watching me. Let's start today's new video without any further delay. So basically this video is going to be routine of 3rd July 2025 and today is Thursday. So basically in this video I'm going to share you like what is actually happening in my today's routine video, right? So let's start today's new video without having any further delay. So basically today, first of all, I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth. So today is Thursday, right? So after that I studied. Basically I studied. Then basically basically one thing I want to share you that from yesterday was my last exam of the second semester of the first year, and from today onwards I'm going to study, right? So basically after some time later a delivery person came. Basically I ordered some grocery items. So basically he came to deliver the grocery items. So basically I brought the grocery item. Then after that I studied. Then at the time of evening I cooked tori soyabean sabzi. I don't know what call tori in English. Maybe I discussed in before some word the you know yeah, I think suffix is god, something like that, right? So yes. So at the time of evening I ate, and after some time later I you know I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what has actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is all what is actually happening. Now in today's video the next term is chartered accountant. Chartered accountant means a chartered accountant as defined in clause B of subsection 1st of section 2 of the Chartered Accountants Act 1949, who holds a valid certificate of practice under subsection 1 of section 6 of that Act. Now CEO, what is CEO? Chief Executive Officer means an officer of a company who has been designated as such by it. Okay. 19. Chief Financial Officer CFO means a person appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of a company. These definitions of CEO and CFO should be read with section 251 and 203, which deals with the definition and appointment of key managerial personnel, KMP, of the Companies Act 2013. Okay. Now, contributory means a person liable to contribute towards the assets of the company in the events of its being wound up. Contributory. Okay. Okay, contributory I have not understood. Here is an example one written, so I am going to read. For the purpose of this clause, it is hereby clarified that the person holding fully paid up share in a company shall be considered as a contributory, but shall have no liabilities of a contributory under the Act, will retaining rights of such contributory. I am writing it here. Contributory. Now 27. Controls shall include the right to appoint majority of the directors or to control the management or policy decisions. Control shall include the right to appoint majority of the directors or to control the management or policy decision exercisable by a person or persons acting individually or in concert, directly or indirectly, including by virtue of their shareholding or management right or shareholders agreements or voting agreements or in any other manner. Okay. Now 30 is debenture. Includes debenture, stock bonds or any other instrument of a company evidencing a debt, whether constituting a charge on the assets of the company or not, provided that the instrument referred to in Chapter 3D of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 and such other instrument as may be prescribed by the central government in consultation with the Reserve Bank of India issued by the company shall not be treated as debenture. Okay. Director means a director appointed in the board of a company. Document includes summons, notice, requisition, order, declaration from and register whether issued, sent, or key kept in pursuance of this act or under any other law for the time being in force or otherwise maintained on paper or in electronic form. Employees stock option means the option given to the directors or officers or employees of a company or of its holding company or subsidiary company or companies, if any, which gives such directors, officers, or employees the benefit or right to purchase or to subscribe for the shares of the company at a future date at a predetermined price. Okay. Expert includes an engineer, a valuer, a chartered accountant, a company secretary, a cost accountant, and any other persons who has the power to of authority to issue a certificate in pursuance of any law for the time being in force. Financial statement in relation to a company includes a balance sheet as at the end of the financial year, a profit and loss account, or in the case of a company carrying on any activity not for profit, an income and expenditure account for the financial year, cash flow statement for the financial year, a statement of changes in equity if applicable, and any explanatory note annexed to or forming part of any documents referred to in subclause 4. Provided that the financial statement with respect to one person company, small company, dormant company, and private company, if such private company is a start-up, may not include the cash flow statement. The above exemption is available to private company which has not committed a default in filing its financial statement under section 137 of the said act or annual return under section 92 of the said act with the registrar. Okay. Now, free reserves mean such reserves which as the last audited balance sheet of a company are available for distributions as dividend, provided that any amount representing unrealized gains, national national gains or revaluation of assets, whether shown as a reserve or otherwise, or any change in carrying amount of an asset or of a liability recognized in equity, including surplus in profile and loss account on measurement of the asset of the liability at fair value, shall not be treated as free reserves. Key managerial personnel in relation to a company means the chief executive officer or the managing director of the manager, the company secretary, the whole-time director, the chief financial officer, such other officer not more than one level below the directors, who is in whole-time employment, designated as key managerial personnel by the board, and such other officer as may be prescribed. However, till now, no other officer has been prescribed. Okay, so I'm writing key managerial person. Now, manager. Manager means an individual who, subject to the superintendence, control and direction of the board of directors, has the management of the whole or substantially the whole of the affairs of a company, and includes a director or any other person occupying the position of a manager by whatever name called, whether under a contract of service or not. So yes guys, this is all the definition what I read today. So to the upcoming videos I would like to discuss the remaining definitions what I can do. So yes guys, this is all what is actually happened. So yes guys, so I think it is enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you later. Bye bye.